When the market is at or near all-time highs, we say use no more than 30%, ideally no more than 20% of your account, so that when the market does drop, because it's going to eventually drop when you're at all-time highs or continue to hit all-time highs, it's going to eventually drop and the volatility is going to spike up. That's when you're going to have a better opportunity to make money. You're going to have a higher probability than what the deltas are saying. That's wow, right? Almost 30%, like I was saying. A bear market is 20%. A correction is 10%, a bear market is 20%, a crash is 30%. So we're almost a crash away from where it's currently trading. We will be more than a crash from the all-time highs, because the correction is based on the all-time highs, a bear market is based on the all-time highs, and obviously a crash is based on that. And so you can continue to go down. But if I'm going to use, let's say, 30% of my account, and let's say that's going to be three contracts in this example. A lot of times it could be more than that, but I just say it's three contracts. Well, I'll do one here. The market drops again on Monday 1%. Well, I'll do another one perhaps. The market drops again a week from then. I'll do another one. So a lot of us are attracted to shorter time frames with trading, period. It can be options, it can be shares, it can be futures contracts, it can be a number of different instruments that you try to short term trade. But I don't want us to forget about a real special time frame, like for a swing trade. 30 to 60 days. Here at Dorian Trader, we call it the bread and butter strategy, and it's our kind of foundational strategy. That with the safeguard. Safeguard is our signature strategy now, but the bread and butter strategy was our signature strategy, and still very, very important to us here. That's why we continue to call it bread and butter. It's the same kind of strategy that I did in my hedge fund for a decade. And in this type of market that we've been in almost any market except a market that is dropping crazy fast, which is rare, this bread and butter strategy works super well with. And it's because if you're in a market like the current one we are in, it's been choppy. It's been going up and going down. We're kind of trending down recently, but still going up and down. Well, with the bread and butter strategy, you can be really far away from what the current price is. So we like to say 15, 20, 25, even 30% away, depending on how high volatility is. Right now, currently, volatility is high. We have a 27 VIX. So that means we can get 20, 25, even 30% away from where it's currently trading on that put side. And on the call side, we can usually get 9, 10, 11% away from where it's currently trading. So you can put on these bread and butter trades, just a put spread or just a call spread or what we call a wide iron condor, and make a lot of money without having to adjust, because the market is giving you a great opportunity because how high volatility is. So if you had an account of 10,000, I was going to use an example of 100,000, but I just use a $10,000 account, and you wanted to build a portfolio. You wanted to build a portfolio up. Here at Dorian Trader, we say use no more than 40% of your account when you're doing a bread and butter style strategy. When the market is at or near all-time highs, we say use no more than 30%, ideally no more than 20% of your account, so that when the market does drop, because it's going to eventually drop when you're at all-time highs or continue to hit all-time highs, it's going to eventually drop and the volatility is going to spike up. That's when you're going to have a better opportunity to make money. You're going to have a higher probability than what the deltas are saying. That's what I believe, and that's what the kind of statistics have played out to be. You're going to have a huge opportunity to make money. So if you're starting with 10,000, going back to that, if you're starting with 10,000, and I just say you were going to use 3K of it, you're going to use $3,000 of your account just to initiate trades. Well, we'll tell you to initiate the trade when the market is down a 0.5% or more. Right now, we're down a little more than a 0.5%. So if you were going to go here, and I just say 30 to 60 days, I'm going to go out with a 62 day. Normally, if you're going to go outside of that range, it's going to be more. It's not going to be less. And so in this case, let's go down here and let's look at this put strike here. I'm going to go 62 days, and I'm going to go to a 3 delta just for illustration purposes. A lot of times you'll go to a 5 delta, but recently, because of this volatility, you can literally get what you want at a 3 delta. And so that's $83 just on the put side. Okay. Now, if we wanted to and go all the way to the call side, and let's do a 2 delta on the call side. And so we're going to go to this 7,500, and we're going to do let's just do a 100 point wide as well. Before we continue with the video, I just want to quickly point out, if you need any additional help, please consider joining our trading club. You can do that by clicking on the link in the description area, and you'll get a 3-month trial for a flat fee of $60. We look forward to seeing you in the trading club. Back to the video. So in this example here, we have on a what we call a super wide iron condor. We're collecting 165 before fees and commissions. And so for us, a standard trade is at least $100 after fees and commissions. So that's going to meet that criteria. Right now, we're using $1,000 of the 3K for just one trade, right? And so if we go here and just do the percentage here, I just want to give you a kind of an idea how far we're away from at the money. You take this number and you divide it by this number here, the 6688, and then you subtract one from it. So I'm going to take the 4850 and I'm going to divide it by the 6687 and I'm going to minus 1. This is 27.4% away on that put side. Wow, right? Almost 30%, like I was saying. A bear market is 20%. A correction is 10%. A bear market is 20%. A crash is 30%. So we're almost a crash away from where it's currently trading. We will be more than a crash from the all-time highs, because the correction is based on the all-time highs. A bear market is based on the all-time highs, and obviously a crash is based on that. And so if we do this math on the call side and we take that 7,500 and we divide it by the 6686 and then we minus 1 from it. So it's about 12% away on the call side, 12.1% away on the call side, you guys. That's a huge move in 63 days. You can be in and out of this trade within, let's say, 50% of the time with 75% profit on this trade without ever having to adjust, because the probability of adjusting here, as we like to say here at Dorian Trader, is the probability of touch. So you have a 2 delta on the call side, you have a 3 delta on the put side, you add that up, that's 5, you times that by 2, the probability of touch, or the probability of touch is 10 then, and the probability of having to adjust is 10. You got a 10% chance of having to adjust this trade over the next 63 days. These are just ridiculous odds that you're going to make money. And if you made this money, let's just say you collected 160 times 75%, that would be 120. So you take that 120 and divide it by you divide it by the 10,000, right? That's 1.2% just on this trade. And so if you did 3 other trades, you're now over 3%, almost in that 4% range for the month, without having to adjust, without having to worry about all the market volatility that's been happening on a day-to-day basis. Do not forget about this foundational type of trading, this swing trading, this 30 to 60 days, what we call bread and butter here. It can help you, and a number of you have been doing it. I know Nakibla, you've been doing it. I know Lewis has been doing it. I know a number of you have been doing this trade when the market is down 0.5% or more. You don't use all your ammunition, because the market can continue to go down. I mean, we're at the lows of the session now on the day. You can continue to go down. But if I'm going to use, let's say, 30% of my account, and let's say that's going to be 3 contracts in this example. A lot of times it can be more than that, but I just say it's 3 contracts. Well, I'll do one here. The market drops again on Monday 1%. Well, I'll do another one perhaps. The market drops again a week from then. I'll do another one. I'm increasing my odds, because if I'm 27% away now, well, maybe I'm 27, 30% away from the new amount that when it drops 1% from there. The odds on me winning are super, super high. You guys, we've been putting on these bread and butter trades all year, and we haven't had to adjust any of them. Not even close. The market is giving us great opportunities with this 30 to 60 day swing trade.